Good morning. Ek word weer Yeshua. He's in his footprints. In his footprints. Putting our foot inside his foot. Following him. We're in the parasha of Vayakel in Pekudei, and it's so much detail on how the tabernacle was to be erected and constructed, and all the inputs that there was. And it starts off with the memory and the reminder that Shabbat is to be celebrated on the seventh day, and don't neglect my Shabbat, Abba says. Now, what's interesting is in the parasha, we read about the tabernacle, and the tabernacle is constructed in exactly, so many times it is repeated, as Yutevave has ordered Moshe to do. So exact precision was followed in the construction of this tabernacle. Now, what does this have to do with Akvot Yeshua? Yeshua is the way, the truth, and the life. Did you know there's only one entrance to the tabernacle? The way, the truth, and the life. And when we get to the offering and we lay down our sins, I often do this, and I lay down my sins at this offering, and I realize that the blood that Yeshua gave, there's life in the blood, and the blood that he gave is the blood to cleanse me from all my sins. And when I reach the menorah, I have this overwhelming like water flowing from inside and just flowing out of my mouth, and it's just, you know, extraordinary what happens with the overflowing of the Spirit and the Spirit-filled emotions that I experience. Sometimes you just cry. You don't know why, you just cry. And that's the Spirit, and that's the sevenfold Spirit. And wisdom, one of the sevenfold spirits, is constantly reminding us of how we should conduct our lives. And in fact, all of the seven work together for us in the tabernacle. But here's the thing to end off with, is that our high priest, Yeshua, became our high priest. And his breastplate, all 12 tribes, is represented on his breastplate and on his shoulder plates as well, as a reminder to set before God, to set before the Father. So perpetually, our high priest enters the Holy of Holies and intercedes for you and me. And we are on his breastplate as a reminder, continuously, perpetually, constantly, interceding for you and me. That's what Akvot Yeshua is. Shalom, shalom.